The ZANU-PF has insisted that President Emmerson Mnangagwa will not be replaced in 2028, sidelining Vice President Constantino Chiwenga from succeeding him. Sanamda mashuka tuna kuti aiwa vakomana vachizouya nefinal decision, vachizouya nefinal say. Yatiri kuona kuti in all the efforts muchiona nemamandra nemapropaganda aiitiwa in all the 10 provinces, vanhu vaizonyatso kubuda pachena vakanyatso kutora their side. Sanapinda mashuka mudanyikwa panapo ndopa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipinda mzimu ai mudanyikwa mchizi Information Minister and ZANU-PF Central Committee member Jennifer Muswere made the announcement, putting to rest speculations that Chiwenga would become the ZANU-PF presidential candidate in 2028. Muswere revealed that the decision was ratified at the ZANU-PF Annual People's Conference held in October in Bulawayo. The delegates to the ZANU-PF 21st National People's Conference resolve as follows. The President and the First Secretary of ZANU-PF, His Excellency Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa's term of office as President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and the First Secretary of ZANU-PF be extended beyond 2028 to 2030. That is the resolution. The resolution also directed the party and government to amend the national constitution to give effect to this extension. The move seemingly ends years of speculation over Chiwenga's potential succession, a debate that has persisted since the 2017 coup that ousted RG Mugabe and brought E.D. Mnangagwa to power. Initially seen as Mnangagwa's key ally, Chiwenga's influence is appeared to wane amid growing internal factionalism and Mnangagwa's consolidation of power. Ndo mashoko atoona anobuda achitagwa pana panakumana vana Jennifer Muswere. Atona kuti apana munhu anomaresista vachinge vatotaura kudai, kunyangwe vakomana vanga vane maplans avo, they remain thwarted, they remain silent. Kuda kuti vakomana zvanenge vatodecida ndizvozvo, kunyangwe zvisina vanhu vari kuzvisapota. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like channel, turn on the bell icon.